Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Today we will see lecture number 19 from the subject numerical methods. So today's topic is about as we saw in the last lecture, the backward difference of operator and how to construct the backward difference table. There were a little difference between the forward differences and backward differences in the representation. Now, so this is a question and we have to find the order of the polynomial. The first thing which we have to check is whether our data points are equally spaced. Yes, they are equally spaced, so we can solve this question. So we have to represent the values in the lower half of the table. So the first value will be delta y2, okay, because over here the value is y2. This is y1, y2, y3, y4, y5 will be equal to this minus this. After the subtraction, the value will be equal to 2.7. Similarly, delta y3, the value will be equal to, you have to make sure the calculations must be correct all the time. So this will be equal to 19.52 minus 15 point this will be equal to 3.25. okay, then delta y4 will be equal to 3.82 and delta y5 will be equal to 4.23 by subtracting these two values. Okay, further we can make differences. So now we have to go with the second order forward differences. That is basically the differences of the first order forward differences. So over here y3 will be difference between 3.25 minus 2.7 minus 2.7. So the value will be equal to 0.55. Delta square y4 will be equal to 3.82 minus 3.25. So the value will be equal to 0.57. Similarly, the second order y at 5 will be equal to 4.23 minus 3.82. So the value will be equal to 0.4. Now the third order. Third order of y of 4 will be the differences between these two. So the value will be equal to 0.02. 0.02. Let me write it over here. 0.02. Okay. Cube of y5 will be equal to 0.4 minus 0.57. So it will be minus 0.16. Then the last, there will be only one difference left. So that we have to make sure कि हम वो यहाँ पे लिख लें in the lower half of the table. So minus 0.16 minus 0.02. The result will be equal to minus 0.18. And this is the table which we constructed. Now what we have to do is we have to find the order of the polynomial. We make all the differences. There are no constant values in any of the order. So we finally stopped at the fourth polynomial. So we can write, therefore the order of the polynomial is 4. Okay. So let us take one more question. Say if we have a question like this, find Newton's backward operator for the function f of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 5x plus 7, taking arguments as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9 and 10. So what we have to do is we have to find the operator, Newton's backward operator we have to find, and by substituting all the values. Not only that, let us see कि हम किस order तक इसको solve कर सकते हैं. You can get the questions like these as well. Now see, arguments are equally spaced. Our arguments means data points, so they are equally spaced, so we can apply the backward difference operator in this. So we can write, so firstly let us construct the backward difference table. How many data points we are having? 10 data points. So x I 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. We don't know the value of yi's. हमें दिए नहीं गए हैं, but we have to find them out. How? By taking each and every argument and substituting in this equation. पहले जब हम x के बदले 1 लिखेंगे, so 1 cube minus 3 1 square plus 5 into 1 plus 7, जो भी value आएगा, that value we have to write over here. And then take this 2 and substitute the value in this equation and write the value over here. So I am writing the value because I have already calculated them. 22, this will be 43, 82, 145, 238. ज़रूरी नहीं है मैंने कैलकुलेट करके जो वैल्यूज़ निकाले वो 100% करेक्ट हों, ऑल्दो ठीक है, बट स्टिल इट इज़ बेटर कि अगर आप ये चीज़ें खुद भी कर लें. ओके, देन वी हैव टू फाइंड द ऑपरेटर, द फर्स्ट ऑपरेटर. यहाँ पे लिखना है, ठीक है. 13 minus 10 is 3. Delta y2 will be equal to 3. So अब मैं डेल्टा ये नहीं लिखूँगी, मैं डायरेक्टली वैल्यूज़ लिखूँगी. सो दिस विल बी 9, 21, 39, 63, 93, 129, 171 and 219. The values we have to calculate in the same way जैसे हमने previous example में किया था. Then over here, so 9 minus 3 is 6. Then 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42 and 48. हम आगे भी जा सकते हैं क्योंकि हम पास बहुत सारे वैल्यूज़ हैं जिनके हम डिफरेंसेस निकाल सकते हैं. So this will be a 6, 6, again a 6, 30, this is 6, 1 second, 24 minus this, 30 minus this, 36 minus this 6, 42 minus 6, 42 minus 36 is a 6, 48 minus 42 is a 6. ओके, अगर आप यहाँ पे देखेंगे कि हमें थर्ड पॉलिनोमियल में हर एक जगह पे कांस्टेंट वैल्यू मिल रहा है. अगर हम आगे नहीं जाएंगे तो वही बेहतर रहेगा बिकॉज रेस्ट ऑफ द वैल्यूज़ विल बी सेम. सो वी कैन राइट देयरफॉर ऑल द डिफरेंसेस at cube this I came out to be the same, therefore the order of the polynomial is 3. Okay, so this is another type of question which we can have. Let us do one more question on this so that you will see how we can solve all these questions. Construct the backward difference operator and find delta cube f of n if f of 1 is equal to 10, f of 2 is equal to 5, f of 3 is equal to 2, f of 4 is equal to 8, f of 5 is equal to 12, f of 6 is equal to 12, f of 7 is equal to say 30. Okay, so again we first have to construct the table, then we have to find this operator at the third degree. We have to find the value of f of n. Okay, solution. So xi yi, xi हमारे पास values देखिए हैं, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7, 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So this is a 10 5 2 8 12 12 and 30. Now the first operator, this will be a minus 5, minus 3 6 4 0, 12 minus 12 is 0, 30 minus 12 is 18. Second order, minus 3 minus minus 5, that means minus 3 plus 5, that will be a 2, a 9, a minus 2, minus 4, 18. Further we can subtract the values. 9 minus 2 is a 7, minus 2 minus 9 is a minus 11, minus 4 minus minus 2 is a minus 2, then this is a 22. Delta 4 yi, because further we can make minus minus 7, that will be a minus 18, 11, yes, minus 18. Okay, this will be a 9 and this will be a 24. So delta 5 yi, 9 minus minus, this will be a 27, this will be a 15. Further we can go up to 6 because we can make one more difference, so this will be a minus 12. What we have to find is y3 f of n. y3 means we have to find the value at third order polynomial when f of n, n over here means the last element, that is a 22. So the first thing is the order of the polynomial. Therefore पहले ये भी लिख लेते हैं, order जो है इस polynomial का वो है 6 and the value of delta cube f of n, n over here means the last element, that is 7, the value is equal to 22. Hope you understood how we can solve all these questions. Thank you.